Right, hello guys, again, it's me again. Today we're gonna basically be making a USB to TTL programming cable for Bafang Uart mid drives. So as you can see here, I have a nice chunk of display cable that basically it's usually used for the programming stuff, and we purchased quite few of those TTL adapters. I'm gonna show you in a sec. So as you can see here, that's a USB to TTL adapter. If you look at it, it has 5 volt output VCC, 3V3, TXT, RXT, and ground. And as you can see, few of the pins are bridged. So in our case, it came from the package bridged with the TXD and RXD, which we don't need. If we want to make this adapter working, we will have to move this pin to the VCC and 3V3. We have to bridge those two contacts. 5 volts, we won't be needing it, and basically that will help us make the cable. So I'm gonna solder the cables. I'm gonna show you which cable goes where, and just stay tuned in a sec. Right, so if you look close enough, you can see that in our situation, red one is ground, RXD is black, and TXD is green. Also, in here, we have blue and yellow cables, which we connect together, and then basically once you plug in the cable to the PC and to the controller, it will automatically switch the controller on. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some heat shrink with some hot glue inside, and we're gonna have our running cable, which we're gonna test. Okay, so here we have it. Not the prettiest, I don't think it's gonna win a beauty contest, but it will do the job. So it's time to test it. So now we're gonna plug into the PC and plug in basically into the controller. So as you can see here, usually you have the CH340 coming up if one of the cables is plugged in. At the moment is not, so just give me a second. Right, so now it's plugged in. I don't know if you heard the chime from the computer. Let's have a look, and here we go. COM15, USB serial CH340. So now I'm just gonna plug into the controller and show you that basically it actually can read. Right, as you can see, it's all plugged in. So now let's just power up the power supply. I have a BBS HD controller plugged in. So in here, as you can see, is not a standard Bafang basically tool. This is the open source tool because I use open source firmwares on most of my controllers. So let's click connect. You see it's connected, it's reading the correct version, BBS HD version 1.50. If we go to the system, as you can see, everything's 0 because when you open up, that's how it should be. So we press flash and read, and boom, all the values are there. So that means our cable is fully working. So if you find this video useful, click a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and wait for more new tricks on the Bafangs. Thank you all. Bye.